Come on and follow me. Hello, agus fáil just there. Hello and welcome into the house in Lewis. Now, usually when I start a drama workshop, I like to get to know everybody's names. Usually we're all standing in a circle. So I would start by going, hello, is Misha Arster. Hello, I am Arthur. Hello, is Misha Arster. Agus is Tillelm a bhí clúich, and I like to play, is Tillelm a bhí clúich. Can you guess what I like to play? Yeah, okay. Agus, so it's Misha Arster, agus is Tillelm a bhí clúich. Tennis. Shay. So now I want you to think of something. So first of all I'd like to say, hello is Misha, and then your name, so fiachsin. Hello is Misha Arster. Agus, now I want you to mime or show us something you like. So, Jamie in, hello is Misha Arster, is Tillelm sa a bhí. Can you guess what I'm doing? Is Tillelm a bhí lévig. I like to read. Gleva. Okay. Jamie in maha is Misha Arster, agus is Tillelm a bhí clúich. Balcosha. Badly. So I like to play football badly. What would you like to show us now? You think of a few things would be able to show us if you were in the group at the Fèis, okay? So it's Misha Arster, it's Tillelm a bhí clúich. Tennis. Jamie in Ferreira. Another one. It's Misha Arster, it's Tillelm a bhí clúich. Can you guess what it was? Yes, I like to play the fiddle. Gleva. It's Misha Arster, it's Tillelm a bhí clúich. Lisa Gajihan? She guitar. It's Misha Arster, it's Tillelm a bhí clúich. What was that? Can you guess? Yes, drums. So I want you to think of as many things as you can and how you would show them without using the word for reading or drums or guitar. Yep? Okay. Now, another wee game you can play with someone in the house is to pretend that you're going to the shop, the local co-op, any other shop. There are many other stores available, and it's close to closing time. So your mum or dad or your carer, whoever's with you, goes into the shop and the door closes before you get in. And you're not allowed in because they've got 10 minutes to finish shopping. So you have to mime to them what you want them to buy for you in the shop. So, for example, I might want what's that? Do you know? A scooter, stocha. Okay. What else would I like to get from the shop? Oh, but Tillelm sa go find me. What's that? Brush fiachling, shay, a toothbrush. Okay, Nisha, what else would I need from the shop? Oh, I tell you what else I need from the shop. Let's see. Division. Deodorant, shay. What else could we get in the shop? Oh yes, Ruthie and Falling, something healthy for you. Let's see. Gee, Ashin, what am I getting now? Shay, banana. So see how many things you can think of, okay? Nisha. Another game I'd like to try with someone at home is to think of 4 truths and 1 lie, okay? Céir rutfirnach agus briach. So 4 truths and a lie about yourself, okay? So for example, is Misha Arster, ha me furach on the glasacho, ha 3 ballyhacking, car agus da hu. Okay? So I'm Arthur, I live in Glasgow, I have 3 sons, 1 car and 2 dogs. So J and Bria gavakam. What is the lie I told there? Will you suck it? So, it's Misha Arster, ha me fudach on the glasacho, ha trúrvallich hacking, ha uncar hacking, agus dachu. So, did you guess the lie? So I am Arthur. I do live in Glasgow. We do have 3 sons. We have 1 family car. And we don't have any dogs. No dogs in our family, okay? So now I want you to go and try that with someone in your family. If you know them really well, you have to try and think of something that's not easy to work out. Okay? Very good. You go and try that now, and I'll see you a wee bit later. So, in a minute I'm going to show you a game I played as a youngster in long winter nights and cold summer wet days too. But first of all, do you remember the first video I did where we were showing you how I make homemade pizza? Well, I think I missed a couple of bits out when I edited that video, and I'd like to take you back to it. Can you guess what I missed out? I forgot to put in the bit about making my own pasta sauce, so I hope you might want to watch that and see if that's how you'd make yours, or how you add or change the ingredients to make your own. Okay, let's have a look at that. Nisha har made gisel from the sauce acting again or from the pizza. So we're going to make the tomato sauce now, homemade for the pizza. So idashach, home go the ingredients of show. Ha pepper too acting, ha saling acting, oregano acting, tomatoes irrigere the north, onion, agus crevak. So garlic, yeah, so I guess I'm going to ceir peas and crevak. 4 pieces of garlic is what I use. I quite like the garlic. Okay, so to save time, I've chopped some onions and 4 pieces of garlic. Okay, Nisha, I like to use a bit of olive oil. Can we slice the fan now? And we'll let that heat up. So now give me span, a wooden spoon. Jirach marshin. So kindjach doen alle van mijn goors de pannen fat. Marshin. Kerst. Nisha. I'm going to put the onion in the dashach. I put the onions in first. So that can be 1 onion mianach, 1 medium-sized onion. Or if you like lots of onion, you can put in as much as you want, all to your own taste. So norshin. Marshin my goors. Nisha span. Pleva. Agus commission dog will shin sauteed, and you pull up kinjach garlic for sauteed. I don't quite know the garlic for sauteed. I guess I'll be at fachla bake later on checking that out. Gleva Nisha, and I usually let that cook for a few minutes and stir. Okay, kerst. Norshin, you can wait longer if you want. If I'm trying to be clear for filming, we'll just put the garlic in drasta. And crevak. That's the word for garlic. Gleva. Agus riist gakut and gorst. Agus kinjach gilligis rohe. Samitach del garkel shin nisha mo koi gujich minute. I'm going to let this cook slowly for about 5 to 10 minutes. Kerst, and then we'll come back. Gleva Nisha and the onion ready break Nisha for 10 minutes again. So and the onion quiet gleva on the dye sauteed maar gaan is het. En de Nisha voor me root bake spread oregano on. I guess. Good the komt to get a teaspoon of it can cook just sprinkle baked machine. I guess kumagorje. With also oregano of course so a sprinkling of oregano, I hope you like it. If not, you could use a different herb, I guess. Gleva, black pepper. So we all like black pepper in this house, so not any limits really. There we go. Shinma. I guess root big saling kujak, so tell it saling. They like salt in this house too, so there we go. Oregano. Saling, I guess pepper. Oregano, salt and pepper into the mix. Gleva. Fysyn sin in a 3 minutes in a shit. Agus initial shell for the dough. See, a different size in the dough now. It's doubled, so it's coming on beautifully. Quiet ma, looks good. So we'll leave that a little while longer. Agus Nurosin, kunnen we gewoon eerst. Agus Jeshel, er zijn tomatoes, hij gerig en aard. Agus, hoek me hier lid roin live, agus hij moet sprayen in tomatoes. So hij leen je tea up om salig in nisje. So I took the lid off a while ago, just to save time, and I managed to get it over my lovely Fage Aran t-shirt. But luckily I think there's another one in the drawer somewhere, because I've been lucky to be invited back once or twice. So here we go. Agus just a cruhulleric magors in nisje. Oh, messy, shin misha. I'm very messy when I'm cooking. Oh, but it can always be cleaned up. That's the good thing. And we'll leave that to cook for a wee while, okay? The idea is to wait now for let it simmer so it thickens. Okay. Maybe even just add some tomato puree first. Just for a bit of extra flavour. Maybe we'll open the lid, Dalshach. I guess. J. Might do it. It's all to your own taste, so put in as much as you feel you would like, but not too much because it could be overpowering. Good. So that's basically how we put the sauce together. Now we'll let it simmer till it's nice and thick, ready to be put in the food blender. Gleva. So, did you like my pasta sauce? If not, as I said, you can make it any way you wish. Anyway, back to the game I played as a youngster. It was called Beetle Drive. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but you can play it at home. And when I was younger, you could go to the local community hall and you'd play it in tables of 4. Yep. But to play it at home is very simple. This is a bought one, yep, which you don't need at all. When I was young, we didn't have that. All we had was a bit of paper, a pen or a pencil, and a die or dice. Yeah. So here we go. In this Beetle Drive, the only difference in this pack is you get a card that's already made up. Yep, does that make sense? So you can see that. So you have to create a beetle. So you need to get the body, the wings, the legs, the head, and the feelers. And yep. Okay, so Nisha, I think I'll put on my glasses to help with this game. Old age doesn't come by itself, And you can lose in. So, for example, if you get the dice or the die and you roll it, 6. That's lucky because you need a 6 to start, okay? So a 6 for the body. So if you get a 6, you're able to draw the body on the paper, okay? And you can't start, so if you get a 2, for example, you can't do anything until the die goes round everybody in the game and you get another shot. Okay, but I was lucky, I got 6 in the first one. So now, a 5, oh good, a 5 for the head. So this is working out really well. And you can see I'm not cheating, okay? So then what you need is I need the eyes, okay? So 4 for the eyes. No, a 6 is no use because I already have a 6, yeah? So let's try again. 2, what's a 2 now for the legs, yeah? We'll go for the legs. There's 1, I'm not very good to beat legs. And there's 2 of those, oh. What have we got there? A 6, no use again. And a 1, we'll use a 1 for the feelers. Okay, and then so on. Oh, try not to throw it off the table. Oh, a 4, that's good. So a 4 for the eyes, yeah? That's one eye. What else don't we have? A 6. Oh, a 4 again, another eye, and so on. And for the wings, you want a 3. Yep, you need to throw a 3 to get the wings. And what else? The legs, we were saying, was a 2. And 1 for the feeler. And the body was 6, 5. 4 for the eyes. 3 for the wings. 2 for the legs. And 1 for the feelers, yeah? So you want to then end up with a complete beetle. So the first person to have the body, the head, the 2 wings, and the 6 legs and the 2 feelers, 2 eyes is the winner, yeah? See that? That's your beetle. So the main thing is, as I said, you don't need the bot pack. All you need is paper and pencil or pen, okay? And you've got 6. So let's have 6 for the body, 5 for the head. So Shia is an corp, 6 for the body. Coig is an Kjelm, 5 for the head. Keir is an the Sulin, 4 for eyes. 3 is an Ske, 3 for the wings. Ja from the Cassin, agus Un, 2 for the feet, and Un, 1 for the feelers that the beetles use to go along and the ground and feel their way. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. If you need to, you can stop the video on certain bits. So 6 for body, 5 for head, 4 for eyes, 3 for your wings, 2 for your legs, and 1 for your feelers. Okay? I don't know if you've ever heard or seen this game, but I hope you try it with a few people and it can be really good fun. So you have a turnabout, and as I say, you can only start drawing your beetle once you have a 6. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy it. Gleva. Nisha, have you had a chance to make your own puppet? Or just puppet eyes and practice counting to 10? Yes? No? Oh well, there's still plenty time to practice making your puppet and counting to 10 in Gaelic. Okay, let's have another practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you want to try that once more? Gleva. You look at the numbers and count to 10, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gleva. You have one more practice until you get good at your numbers in Gaelic. Okay? Okay, just a quick lesson now. Cúnta go déich, counting in Gaelic from 1 to 10. Un go déich, okay? So I'm going to say each number and then I would like you to copy me the best you can. Okay, let's look at the numbers now. So here we go. And that is 0 is Njoni. You say it, Njoni. 1 is Un. You say it after me, Un. 2 is Ya. Say it after me, Ya. 3 is Tree. You say it, Tree. 4 is Keher. Keher. 5 is Coig. Coig. 6 is Shia. Shia. 7 is Sherk. Sherk. 8 is Och. Och. 9 is Nui. Nui. And 10 is Jich. Jich. Okay, and you try them again. Okay. Sometimes the puppet likes to sing and dance. Maybe you should try it with one of your favourite songs. Why don't you have a go? Feskerman is Misha Arthur Donlach. My name is Arthur Donald. Agus am Chirigahami, I'm from the Isle of Tiree. I'm furach am Glasgow, na like show, and I live in Glasgow nowadays. I'm a drama tutor and actor. Agus I was due to be teaching drama at Feish Arran. Unfortunately, we can't be with you, but it's a good opportunity that we're able to do some things online that hopefully might help you with a wee bit of reading or a wee bit of Gaelic. So today I'm going to read you a short story, and this is a good one. It comes in Gaelic and English in the pictures. Also, it has phonetics, which helps anybody without Gaelic pronounce the Gaelic words properly, or learn how to pronounce them properly. So, this first story I'm going to do is Huirst on a trip le Norma Martin agus Christine MacLeod. So it's by Norma Martin and Christine MacLeod. So this is set in a nursery school. Okay, so Huirst. Jay and La hound and Jew. What day is it today? Shed your Mars, your hound. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and today the children at the nursery are going to get a special treat. But first, it's circle time. Jane, La, Hound and Jew, asks Miss Burns, the teacher. Shed ye Mars, ye hound, reply the children. It's Tuesday. Jay and La, a Vown and Jay, Miss Burns asks Holly and Michael. Shed ye loin, a Vown and Jay, they reply. It was Monday yesterday. Mrs. Harris, the nursery nurse, asks Jay and La of his own a maandag. What day will it be tomorrow? Should you keerting of his own a maandag? It'll be Wednesday tomorrow, reply Callum and Ian. The children are all excited. Jay and Jew, Mrs. Harris asks them. I should have dog a tight tasky, they all shout. We're going to a museum. He shin dinosaur an own, says Miss Burns. We'll see dinosaurs in the museum, said Miss Burns. The museum is huge and full of surprises. Where should we find a dinosaur show? Asks Miss Burns. Ha, replies Finlay. I do see the dinosaur. Ha, misha finding Sue and Becca here, says Holly. Rachel has seen something else. A dinosaur ille in shaw. There's another dinosaur here. Shell shaw, shouts Rachel. Quiet an irritable atte. Look at the long tail, says Finlay. Has thrown vor in a dinosaur shaw, says Holly. This dinosaur has a big nose. When they get back to the nursery, Miss Burns asks the children, in fact, she've in dinosaur like Castle Gurridge. Did you see the dinosaur with the short legs? Hunnick, Holly and Finlay reply, but Callum replies, Hanachka. No, that he didn't. He was too busy looking at other dinosaurs. The children tell Miss Burns and Mrs. Harris about the other dinosaurs they saw. But dinosaur only straw and vor, says Rachel. There's a dinosaur with a very big nose. Agus fairly irritable fatter, adds Finlay, one with a long tail. Hunnick misha fair le Sule and Becca, says Holly. I saw one with small eyes. Now it's time for the children to paint some pictures and make things. Hamidol fent a dinosaur, says Michael. I'm going to paint a dinosaur. Could paint it de vieren, Miss Harris tells him. Put paint on your fingers. Ian has got himself in a mess, and Callum says, Shall and lavik Ian. Look at Ian's hand. Miss Burns is showing Rachel what to do. Sua and shin, rub there, she says. Na sua dirty. Don't rub your clothes, Mrs. Harris tells her. Callum and Ian are both in a mess now. Had the hurricane garum, says Callum. Your fingers are blue. Hamaheen and Agat Jarek, Ian replies. Your nails are red. What a right mess they've got themselves into. Have you no chisel? Mrs. Harris asks Michael. Ha, me chisel, I am ready, he replies. Fee me do the lave in an ear, Miss Burns tells him. Ha misha it all again of dinosaur kudjok. Mary wants to make something with glue and cardboard instead of painting a picture. Ha misha it all again of dinosaur kudjok, she tells Miss Burns. I'm going to make a dinosaur too. Ha me dolly gerrig shaw, I'm going to cut this. Oh, ha fee mac shisha, I need scissors, says Mary. Mrs. Harris asks the other children, Ko aika ha eh? Who's got them? Acum, sir, says Ailey. I have. Now some of the other children are making cardboard dinosaurs. Fee me and glue a hua irrevoxa, says Holly. I need to spread the glue on the box. Ha me giri boxa agus glue inish, Ailey tells Mrs. Harris. I want a box and glue now, Ailey tells Mrs. Harris. Ha harsh on your shop pro atta, complains Finlay. This green card is too long. Now the children have all finished their paintings and their cardboard dinosaurs. Shall dinosaur and acking, they say. Look at the dinosaurs. Ryan should fear that, Miss Burns tells them. You've all done really well and you've made great pictures of dinosaurs and great cardboard dinosaurs. So that's the end of that story. And maybe now you could find some paint and paper and paint a picture of your favourite kind of dinosaur. Or maybe you could find some cardboard and build your own dinosaur. Your own dinosaur on Sigurd. So I'd like to thank Edinburgh City Council for the use of this book. It was published by them and you'll find it in most nursery schools, I believe. So, thank you for listening.